Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be making my channel icon for YouTube. I'm not too familiar with Photoshop in all honesty, but if I just edit out all the parts where I look up how to do things, we should go pretty smoothly. Then you can see how to make your own channel icon using Photoshop. So I kind of made a preset already here. It looks like, judging from this little support window here, that we want a 800 by 800 pixel image. So that's what I did here. I just typed in 800 by 800. Resolution's fine. Background contents look fine to me. So let's go ahead and hit create, and we have our initial page. So what I was kind of thinking is like a light background color for the circle. So let's start that. Let's make a little new layer here. I'm gonna go down here to the ellipsis tool. I'm gonna click and drag. If you hold shift, it'll make it uniform. You can kinda... Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make that 800 by 800 like the page on YouTube told us to. And we just do whatever they tell us to. For this, I'm thinking, I usually go for this like light blue. You can see it's already set on there. Let's make that after rest. Yeah, that's okay. Let's make it this nice blue. It seems very pleasing to the eye, you know. I just kind of like that color. Alright, so now that we have our circle here, let's make the text. I was kind of thinking of my initials, MMN, of my YouTube channel, missing my niche. And so, thinking about it, when they're all close together, they kind of look like mountains, like just big jaggeds up and down. Well, let me just type it and we'll see. So let's put the text here, do like an MMN here. So what I was thinking is I kind of wanted these legs to be combined and these legs to be combined. So it's just kind of up and down, jagged. So we're going to do that here. And just kind of slide it to our liking. Just right where they're blended together, like that. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's say like maybe 80. Maybe a little... maybe that. Like right there. Yeah, right in the center. And then for the color, with this light blue that I tend to use, I kind of like to go with like a purple. That might be a bit harsh on the eyes. It's just so bright. Let's make it like a little bit dark. Something like that, I think. Yeah. The more I look at it, the more I like it. I think I'm just gonna go with that. Okay, so we're just gonna have this circle. I don't think it shows these background corners here. So we're just gonna leave it like that, I think. I really like the simplicity of it. And it's kind of like you have to know that it's an MMN. Otherwise, it just kind of looks like mountains. I don't know. I just really like the simplicity of it all. So we're going to go to File, Export, and I looked it up, and it says that PNG is an acceptable format, so we'll just do a quick XP. And I already made a folder called Channel Icon here, so we'll just call this like Channel Icon Picture .png. I don't know if it automatically does that or not, but we'll just do it right there. Save that. Okay, we'll go to this and select a photo from your computer. There it is, our lovely photo here. And we already sized that how we want to, YouTube, so yeah, let's leave it. Oh, looks like we didn't get the circle in all the way. there was probably a right way to do that, but I do not know Photoshop as well as I probably should. So we'll just clip that a little bit. Let's set that as our profile photo. Okay, and there you have it. We got your channel icon ready to go, and now I look like a true professional YouTuber. If you have any questions, let me know. Clearly, I don't know too much about Photoshop, but I will try to help you as best as my abilities, and I'm pretty proficient with Google, so let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye!